my name is Lucy. I'm 11 years old. Every summer, I travel around my country, like going to Phú Quốc Island or to the mountain in Hà Giang. But this year, due to the COVID-19, I need to stay home for 6 months. I couldn't leave the house or go to the park. Now that I can go out, I plan a city tour to explore Ho Chi Minh City, where I live.
Ho Chi Minh City is the largest city in the south of Vietnam. It has many parks, zoo, and space with a lot of trees. That's why, first of all, I want to have a camping day at the Botanical Garden, which is the biggest zoo in the city. I have everything that we need for a camping trip: a tent, food and drink, some torch, camping gear. I will go with my father, my mother, my little brother, and 2 friends and their family. We will eat BBQ, marshmallow, sandwich, milk, juice, and noodle cup, etc. I will go fishing, fly kites, make dinner, decorate a notebook in the tent. Definitely, we will have a long and enjoyable day with outdoor activity. I can breathe fresh air. Besides, in Ho Chi Minh City, there are many museums such as History Museum, Fire Museum, War Museum. I will visit the History Museum because I think if I go to the History Museum, I will be better in history lesson. In the History Museum, there will be many old objects and paintings. That will be very interesting. I just brought a pencil and a notebook that last time I decorated. I think instead of writing, I will draw everything that we see, because if I draw, I will remember it longer.
I think if everything goes according to plan, it will be a great day. Thank you and goodbye.